Hello everyone, myself Dr. Alka Mishra, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, DSN PG College Unnao. I welcome you all. I wish to introduce my proposal for Moocs course as assignment allotted by UGC, HRDC, Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, Amravati for refresher course Life Sciences. The course title which I am going to introduce is Cytology, Genetics and Infectious Diseases, and the subject is Zoology. The credit course is 06 and the scheduled time for course is 10 to 12 week duration. The course objective. This course has been designed in such a way so that the students get flavor of modern aspects of zoology as well as get knowledge about some common infectious diseases. The modern areas including cell biology, genetics and genetic engineering, while the second aspect of the course is to gain knowledge of frequently occurring infectious diseases, and the lab course have been designed in such a way that students will be trained to join private or public labs. And the learning outcome at the completion of the course, student will be able to understand the structure, function of all the cell organelles, cell division including mitotic and meiosis, mitotic division and meiotic division, principle of genetics, gene inheritance, Mendel's law, their deviations, effect of environment on gene inheritance, eugenics, euthenics, chromosomal aberrations, chromosomal anomalies, and pathogenicity, prevention of infectious diseases commonly occurring in community. Course description. This course has been divided into 3 modules, Module 1, Module 2 and Module 3 of 4 weeks each. So, the first module consists cell biology, in which structure of all the cell organelles, cell cycle, cell division and cell signaling will be teach. And the module second, it is also a 4-week, genetics. In this module, principle of heredity, Mendel's law, monohybrid, dihybrid cross, cytoplasmic inheritance, chromosomal aberrations, chromosomal anomalies, family pedigree, etc. will be teach. And in the module 3, it is also 4 weeks. In this module, infectious diseases will be teach. Introduction to some common pathogenic organism and their pathogenicity involves viruses, study of virus, bacteria, fungi and protozoa, helminths, etc. Practical syllabus involves lab work to prepare title for slide for different cell types, cell division, slide preparation for polytene chromosomes, study of parasites from permanent slides and preserved specimen, and to learn the methodology of preparation of temporary and permanent stained or unstained slides. It also involves virtual lab work, learning from econtent, reading reference material, RA discussion, preparing assignments, etc. Prerequisite qualification to study this course, student must have had subject biology in class 12, and the continuous evaluation method, continuous assessment will be done by house examination test, written assignment, presentation, project, seminar, class for performance of the student. Thank you. This is all for our course.